Machine learning in bioinformatics, it's a game changer. Machine learning, you've probably heard of it. But did you know it's revolutionizing the field of bioinformatics? Bioinformatics, the marriage of biology and computer science, is unlocking the secrets of our genetic code. And machine learning is the key that's opening doors we never thought possible. So what exactly is machine learning? It's a way for computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Now imagine combining this powerful technology with the vast amount of biological data we have. The possibilities are endless. With machine learning, we can analyze gene sequences, predict protein structures, and even discover life-saving drugs. But it's not all smooth sailing. Challenges like complex data and the need for interdisciplinary expertise exist. But hey, nothing worth it comes easy, right? The benefits are immense. Improved accuracy, new insights into genetic diseases, and the potential to transform medical research and treatments. So my friends, I invite you to dive deeper into the world of bioinformatics and machine learning. Your journey could lead to groundbreaking discoveries. Unveil the future with us. Together, let's make a difference in the world of science. Remember, the next big breakthrough could be just a click away. Hashtag bioinformatics, hashtag machine learning, hashtag science, hashtag discoveries, hashtag future, hashtag TikTok.